CIFG-1, a family of financial guarantee companies, was formerly a AAA monoline insurer. Its mission is to provide global clients with secure and well-capitalized AAA credit protection through financial guarantee insurance, reinsurance and other credit enhancement products. At its height, CIFG was capitalized with nearly $3 billion in claims-paying resources, providing insurance for investment-grade transactions in the public finance, project finance and structured finance markets. As a result of the credit crisis of 2007 and the collapse of the mortgage-backed securities market, CIFG was downgraded multiple times by all three ratings agencies and eventually had all its ratings withdrawn. Structure of the group. On December 20, 2007, Bank Populaire Group and Caisse d'Epargne Group became shareholders of CIFG Holding Limited, the holding company for CIFG's AAA-rated financial guarantee subsidiaries. With headquarters in New York, CIFG NA was granted a New York license in May 2002 and has licenses in nearly all U.S. jurisdictions. The U.S. business teams cover public finance, project finance, and structured finance. With headquarters in Paris and a representative office in London, CIFG Europe is authorized to provide financial guarantees in the original 15 countries of the European Union. All functions and businesses are present and active in Europe, as they are in the U.S. With headquarters in Bermuda, CIFG Guarantee Limited previously provided financial guarantee reinsurance and was granted a license in Bermuda in October 2007. Ratings. CIFG was rated withdrawn, and withdrawn by Moody's, Standard & Poor's and Fitch, respectively.